Hello, viewers. Welcome to episode number 13 as the question 13 for BECE 2025. We are to solve this linear equation, which is 4x minus 2 into bracket x plus 5 equals to negative what? 10. In this, the first thing we have to do is to expand this bracket, take into account the sign attached to the multiplier, which is negative 2. So I maintain my 4x, negative 2 times positive x, giving negative 2x, negative 2 times positive 5, giving negative 10, equals to a negative 10. So we are going to simplify here. First, let's simplify. 4x minus 2x. The x is just like a branding. So 4 apple minus what? 2 apples. That will give you just 2 of the apples. So I have 2 of the x minus 10 equals to what? Minus 10. What do I need? I need to eliminate this constant because I'm having it to be negative. I add the opposite to that, meaning I'll be adding plus 10 to the left. I'll add plus 10 to the right. Remember, minus 10 plus 10 will give you 0. So I'll be left with only 2x on the left here. This is also minus 10 and what? 10. So I'll just write it there, minus 10 plus 10. Then let me come down again. This is going to be what? 0. But since the 2 is multiplying the x, we use the inverse. This is minus. We use the inverse. Addition. Multiplication. The inverse, which is what? Division. Therefore, 2x will be divided by 2, 0 divided by 2, and x will be equals to 0. If you divide 0 by 2, you still get what? 0. So the value of x is nothing but what? 0, which is going to be the option what? B. I think the concept is a bit okay by you. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.